What's going on, guys? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our new retractable bed step for your 2011 to 2014 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 25 and 3500 trucks. Let's get into it.
Our retractable bed step for 2011 to 2014 Chevy and GMC 25 and 3500 trucks makes it easy to hop on up into the bed of your truck, regardless of the circumstances. The step tucks up and out of the way when not in use, and you can easily extend it by stepping down on the pad when your hands are full and retract it when done. Designed with convenience and durability in mind, this low-profile step makes it convenient to access the truck bed day in and day out. Whether you're loading gear, reaching for tools, or simply hopping into the bed, this is the simple upgrade your truck's been missing. The procedure outlined in this video is for 2011 to 2014 Chevy and GMC 25 and 3500 trucks. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
Alright guys, to make this process as easy as it can be for you, we're going to be assembling our bed step on the bench before we even head on over to the truck. To start, you're going to take your main support bracket and line it up with the holes on your linkage assembly here, like that. And then you're going to take two of the combo bolts that are provided in your kit and then thread them into the holes that are next to each other. Next, take the regular hex bolt, put one of the provided lock washers on it, and then the flat washer, like so, and then thread it into the final spot on the linkage right here. And at this point in the procedure, we can actually go ahead and fully tighten these bolts down. Now, flip your bracket on its side. Take the secondary support bracket, line it up with the holes, the threaded holes on the side of the linkage arm so they'll overlap like this on your support bracket. Take two of the combo bolts and then just thread them in. And then unlike before, we're not going to go ahead and tighten these down. We're actually going to leave these pretty loose so we can actually line this up on the vehicle. So for our next step, take your step, flip it over. We're going to be taking the T-bolts that were provided in your kit, and we're going to be lining them up in a staggered setup here. So they're going to have two on top and then two on the bottom row, like that. And then we're going to be taking our step, move that out of the way for a second here, and then bolting it onto our linkage here. So take the bolts and line them up with the track. So you've got one in each slot. And now take your washer and your lock nut and then thread them onto all of the T-bolts. And we're not going to fully cinch these down yet because we're going to want to adjust this later based on the positioning of your truck.
Under the rear bumper on the driver's side, we are going to be removing these two 21mm bolts and this 15mm bolt before we install our step.
So now we're going to be lining up the main bracket with the bolts that we have removed so far. We're going to be using the two holes that are on top of each other for the 21mm bolts.
Hand tighten the 21mm bolts to get them started, then we'll come back and tighten them down. Then go ahead and grab the long 16mm bolt and a lock washer from your kit and install that into the top hole.
With all of our hardware now in place, we can tighten these bolts down.
With all the main bolts tightened down, we can finally fully tighten the two 13mm support bracket bolts facing the inside of the vehicle. Finally, adjust the step pad to your liking, then fully tighten the four 13mm nuts to secure the step.
And with that, we just finished installing our new retractable bed step on your truck. If you want to check out some of the products we have for your vehicle, like these tow mirrors or these Luma steps, head to our website at boostauto.com. And for that, I'll see you in the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.